Preserve is a new approach to breast enhancement by working with your body's natural structure instead of cutting through it. By gently creating a space inside the breast, it securely supports the implant while preserving natural breast tissue and nipple sensation. Whether you're considering your first augmentation or looking for a lift, Preserve patients will benefit from a less invasive technique with minimal anesthesia, allowing quicker recovery, smaller scars, low inflammation, and low complications. The first step in Preserve is numbing the area using a tumescent solution for 10 minutes. Afterwards, your surgeon will use the Motiva channel separator via a small incision in the inframammary fold, which is the crease under your breast, to create a tunnel without cutting the tissue. This provides access to the space where your breast implant will live. Next, your surgeon will insert the Motiva inflatable balloon tool to gradually push your tissue structures aside, creating a precise pocket that matches the size of your breast implant. Finally, your Motiva Smooth Silk Ergonomics implant will be inserted in the space that was created, preserving your natural breast tissue functionality, including nipple sensation and your chest muscles.